everyone, and very warm welcome back to Decoration Bird channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining us once again. Your love, support, and valuable time mean the world to us. Every like, every comment, and every subscriptions encourages us to continue creating beautiful home decor videos just for you. If you are new to our channel, welcome to the Decoration Words family. This channel especially is created for everyone who loves elegant home decor, modern interior designs, luxury furnitures, creative wall stylings, and beautiful decorating ideas. Here you will always fresh inspiration to make your home stylish, comfortable, and welcoming. Before we begin today's inspiring video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. This is way you will never miss out our latest videos on bedroom decoration, living room decoration, wallpaper ideas, furniture, curtain ideas, carpet designs, vanity designs, and many more creative home decoration ideas. If decorating your home is your passion, then you are in the perfect place. We share elegant, easy decorating ideas that help you transform every corner of your home with confidence and styles. Now let's begin start today's with beautiful topic. Today we are going to explore one of the easiest and most creative ways to transform your room. Wallpaper decor design ideas. Wallpaper is such more than a wall covering. It is powerful design element that can completely change the atmosphere of your home. The right wallpaper can make a room feel brighter, larger, warmer, and more luxurious without changing your furniture or spending a huge amount of money. Whether your home has a modern or classic or minimalist, squadian or luxury interior, wallpaper can add personality, texture, color, and elegance to have every space from bedrooms and living rooms to dining rooms, hallways, and home office. Wallpaper offers endless decorating possibilities. The best part is that wallpaper is available in countless colors, patterns, and textures. You can choose soft floral designs and a peaceful atmosphere, geometric patterns for a moderate look, marble effect wallpaper for a luxurious styles, or a neutral wood and stone finishes to bring warmth and character into your home. In today's video, we will explore beautiful wallpaper decor designs, ideas, modern wallpaper trends, color combinations, future wall inspiration, wallpaper textures, from room styling tips, and small decorating tips that can instantly refresh your home. We will also share both large and small rooms designs, helping you choose wallpaper that only not only looks beautiful but also match your personal style and complements your furniture and decor. So if you are planning to renovate your home or simply looking the furniture decorating inspiration, stay with us until the end because today's video is filled with elegant and easy to follow ideas. At Decoration World, we believe that every wall is to the potential become a beautiful masterpiece. With the right wallpaper, you can create a home that feels stylish, comfortable, and full of personality. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's inspiring journey into the world of wallpaper decor designs ideas. Now that we have completed the introduction about that in this today's videos, let's begin with this first step to choosing the perfect wallpaper for your home. The first thing is to consider is the purpose of the room. Every room has its own style and function, so the wallpaper should match the atmosphere you want to create. Soft and calming design are the perfect for bedrooms, while bold and elegant patterns can make a living room look stylish and impressive. Next, let's talk about wallpaper colors. The colors of your wallpaper has a huge impact on the overall appearance of your room. Light colors such as white, cream, baggy, soft gray, or pastel colors shades make a room feel brighter, larger, and more peaceful. These colors are ideal for small rooms because they create the feeling of extra space. If you want to create a luxurious and dramatic look, you can choose darker shades like navy blue, emerald green, charcoal gray, or deep brown. These colors add depth and sophisticated, especially when paired with warm lighting and elegant furniture. Now let's discuss the wallpaper patterns. Floral wallpapers create a soft and romantic atmosphere, making it a perfect choice for bedrooms and cozy living space. Geometric patterns offer a clean and modern look that works beautifully In contemporary homes, marble effect wallpaper adds a touch of luxury while wood and stone designs bring natural warmth and character at any room. Another popular decorating idea is to creating a feature wall. Instead of covering every wall, choosing one wall to become the main focal point of the room. This could be the wall behind your bed, sofa, dining table, or TV unit. A feature wall adds beauty and personality without making the room feel too busy. Texture is another important element. Textured wallpaper create depth and make walls look more interesting and line texture bridge designer consider concrete finishes and fabric inspired wallpapers and elegance while giving the room a rich and sophisticated appearance. Now let's talk about matching wallpapers with furnitures. Your wallpaper should complement your furniture instead of competing with it. If furniture has bold colors, details, patterns, choose point colors. So then you choose this types of for wallpaper designs. Now that you have choose the perfect wallpaper, let's discover how to style your room beautifully and create a space that feels elegant, modern, and welcoming. One of the easiest way to make wallpaper stand out by keeping the rest of rooms simple. If your wallpaper has bold colors, detailed patterns, choose furniture with clean lines and neutral shades. This create a balanced and sophisticated look without making the room feel crowded. Now let's talk about the decorating around a feature wall. If you have wallpaper on the main wall, arrange your furniture to highlight it. In the bedroom, place your bed against the wallpapered wall. In living room, position your sofa in front of feature wall. In the dining room, place the dining table near the wallpaper to create an elegant focal point. Lighting is another important part of wallpaper decoration. Neutral light brings out the true beauty of wallpaper during the day. In the evening, warm lighting from wall lamps, table lamps, or ceiling lights creates a soft glow that happens the textures and the colors of the wallpaper. Proper lighting makes the room feel warm, relaxing, and luxurious. Now let's add some decorative accessories. Wall art decorative mirrors, floating shelves, and modern clocks can make your wallpaper look even more attractive. However, avoid covering the interior wallpaper with decorations. Leave enough visible space so the wallpaper remains the main highlight of the room. Indoor plant is the another beautiful, wonderful, greeting ideas. A beautiful green plant placed near the wallpapers add freshness and natural beauty plants can also create a relaxing atmosphere while balancing modern interior design with natural elements. Whether you choose modern geometric patterns, soft floral design, luxurious marble textures, and neutral wood finishes, so simple minimalist wallpaper, the most important thing is to select a style that reflects your personality and complements to home. Always remember that beautiful interior design is not about spending a lot of money. So thank you so much. Take your time while decorating your home.